welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro. What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic. We back in here with another video, and straight up, Scalar 2.2, this new update has definitely added some a major enhancement to this particular chord machine. Listen, I'm getting ready to show y'all. I'm sure y'all have already seen what Scalar 2.2 has in it. You've probably seen Plugin Boutique's video. If you haven't, I'm not going to go through every detail of it, but what I want to do is get right into this new bass feature that they added for us inside of Scalar 2.2, the latest update. If you know like I know, you'll go drop that 50 large or whatever it costs right now to have this update, or just to have this newest version of Scalar. You know, if you like me, just need it, you like to have great tools at your disposal just in case you want to be able to jog some new ideas, be able to put some new ideas down with the snap of a finger. So let's get right into it. All right, so check this out. I put these chords together right here inside of Scalar. So let's play these chords real quick. So these are the chords that I laid down, right? Using Scalar. Just went ahead and randomly found me some chords and put a few things together in here. So let's get right into this new bass feature here. All right. So I added this bass inside of here. Basically, I went inside and I wanted just to play the bass melody. I wanted the bass melody. They have some presets in here, and I just wanted to have the bass melody follow the chords that I selected. Right? So I went inside of here. Let's go back out of here. So if you look here at the bass style, I could have had the chord and melody playing through this instance of Scalar, but that's not what I wanted. I just wanted the melody to follow the chords that I selected with this particular bass. So I selected that. See, I got chords only here. Let's get out of those settings and listen to this bass. So right now I'm just using the instruments that are within Scalar. I haven't used any VSTs or anything like that. All these instruments are coming strictly out of Scalar 2. So let's play this bass. Check this out. Come on, y'all. Do y'all hear that? Right now I'm using this tight bass instrument, and it automatically started playing this particular preset that I selected, Urban 3. So let's just go through some of these presets, guys, and just hear what some of them sound like to these chords that I selected. Let's just do Urban 1. Yo, this is sick. This is sick already. I already got an idea together for this beat. If I wanted this to be a real beat, that's something I was really interested in putting together. So let's select another. Let's try Urban 2. I mean, and it's syncing up perfectly with the chords that I created in here. This is next level right here, y'all. Seriously, this is next level. All right, so let's go in here. Matter of fact, let's do this. Let's go back to let's try 4. Let's try Urban 4 since we heard 3 already. All right, so let's take that, because right now you can see I can adjust the speed. It's on 1, normal speed. Let's slow it down a little bit. See what that does. All right, let's speed it up. Let's try it times 2. Still sounds the same on that particular preset. Let's try Urban 5, normal speed. See what it sounds like. All right, still sounds the same on that one. Let's try Urban 6, because it hasn't changed up so far. Let's slow it down. Let's try 7. Urban 7 sounds the same as the other one. Let's try Urban 8. All right, so let's come out of the urbans. Let's go into trance. I just want to see what it sounds like. So you can mix these up like in all types of ways, y'all. Seriously, this is bananas right here. Let's try trance 2. And right now it's following the chord. Let's see if what it sounds like if I follow this particular scale. So it's bringing the octaves down lower if I use scale. So let's go back to chords. So I mean it's like a plethora of ideas in here, y'all. As you can see, they got everything from funk, house, jazz, pop bass, rock bass, synth bass, trance bass, and urban basses. Let's try this. Let's go to funk. Let's try funk 4. Scalar 2.2 right now, y'all. Seriously, this is a no-brainer. A no-brainer. This just really got sick. It's really got sick right here. Let's go back into jazz. Let's try jazz 7. See what this sounds like. Let's speed it up. Slow it down. But what's even better is you can actually lock these keys in. You can lock those keys in and actually play the bass that you want to play to your own chords. Just locking in the keys. But you've been able to do that particular portion. But this just gives you ideas that you can grab really quickly and start getting straight to work. So let's go into pop basses. Let's see what the pop basses sound like with these chords. Pop 2. Let's try 3. Let's try 4. We're gonna try rock. Rock 2. Okay. So what's even more wild to me is if I liked that bass, I could capture that bass, drag those bass MIDI chords over here onto, let's just see something here. Look at there. I can drag those bass MIDI chords right onto whatever bass I wanted to use inside of Studio 1.5. I wanted to just pull up a VST bass, drag those chords, as you can see right here, drag the chords right onto my sequencer. Use half of, if I wanted to just use a couple of those notes from those chords, I could use, let's say if I wanted to use Rock 3 and I wanted to change up, I can go into like Urban 4 and use a portion of Urban 4 for my bass and just switch it up. Man, listen, when I tell you this Scalar 2.2 is a game changer, this is a game changer, y'all. Seriously. Let's bring these drums. I'm just gonna bring some drums in, man. Just see what it sounds like if I wanted to use this. All right, so let's try something from this synthwave bass. See what's in here. Let's slow it down. Okay. Just when I thought I might not have liked the synth wave basses, I actually like them. They don't sound bad. Let's try trance 3. Let's slow it down. Yo, there's so many ways that you can use Scalar 2.2. I think this is a game changer. I think if you don't have Scalar 2 at all, what are you waiting for? Go get this plugin, y'all. This bass feature is bananas inside of here. And I will be using it. Y'all already know. Y'all already know I'm about to be using this like nobody's business but mine. Y'all gonna think I'm Beethoven on some of this production I'm about to be cranking up out of this place. Alright. Once again, man, if y'all dig this video, if you got scale of 2.2, how you like it? If you feeling it, if you got it, drop them comments down below in the comments box. Y'all feeling this feature or what? It's your homie Bigg Vic, man. Make sure you thumbs up this video, share it. If you like to, it's up to you. If you want to share it, it's cool. It's the homie Bigg Vic, man. Until the next video, I gotta cook up a beat, maybe in the next video using scale of 2 inside of Studio One. Y'all know, pulling up that Reason rack and making a banging track for y'all. All right, it's the homie Bigg Vic, man. Always hustle, never stop growing. Until the next video, peace.